Pailalim yung kanyang makatarungang hustisya at karapat-dapat si Jesus na paglagakan ng lahat ng ating mga pagsamba. Kaya nabanggit natin yung mga nakaraan, we should live a life of worship. Dito pa lang sa lupang ito, dapat yung buhay natin pagsamba. Amen? Hindi lamang yung ating pagtungo sa iglesia at sama-sama tayong lumuluhod, nananalangin, nakikinig at sumasamba dahil pagharap mo sa Panginoon, karapat-dapat na ibigay sa Kanya ang pinakamataas na pagsamba. Palpakan mo natin si Jesus. And once again, let's read from verse 11. Then I looked and I heard the voice of many angels around the throne, the living creatures and the elders, and the number of them was 10,000 times 10,000 and thousands of thousands. So, may mga saints na, di ba? May mga saints. Saying with a loud voice, doon po sa chapter 4, they gave their crowns. They offered their crowns to the Lord. Ibig sabihin na nag-rapture na. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain to receive power and riches and wisdom and strength and honor and glory and blessing. And every creature is in heaven and on the earth and under the earth and such as are in the sea and all that are in them, I heard saying, sabay-sabay po natin basahin, blessing and honor and glory and power be to Him who sits on the throne and to the Lamb forever and ever. Papahanin natin si Lord. Madalas yung mention po ng salitang angel ay kai in Greek, na ibig sabihin ay even. So blessing and honor and glory and power be to Him who sits on the throne, even to the Lamb forever and ever. Then the four living creatures said, Amen. And the 24 elders fell down and worshipped Him who lives forever and ever. Amen? Hindi ba tayo excited siya? Kaya dapat mga kapatid, excited tayong nananalangin, excited tayong nagpupuri sa Panginoon, excited tayong nagdi-devotion sa ating mga quiet times, excited tayong nakikipagkatipon sa ating mga kapwa kamanan ng palataya. Dapat yung gagawin natin doon sa heaven, ginagawa na natin dito sa lupa. Amen? Kung dito pala hindi ka excited, paano magpupunta ng langit? Nasusundan po natin, when in heaven, everything that we are going to do is related to worship. Bagamat may sinasabi, there will still be stewardships, may mga pangangasiwa pa rin, pero yung ating buong kaakuhan ay pagluhod, pagsamba, at pagkilala sa Diyos na karapat dapat itaas, luwalhatiin, at sambahin. At siya ay ang kordero na pinaslang at muling na buhay para sa atin. Palapakan natin si Lord. Again, then the four living creatures said, Amen. And the 24 elders fell down and worshipped Him who lives forever. Amen. So kung babasahin po natin ang chapter 6 onwards, kung nararanasan natin yung pagtindi ng climate change or global warming, kung nakikita natin ang, kumbaga ay sukdulang pagkagusto ng dyablo na pumawala upang higit na makapaghasik ng kasalanan at ng lagim sa daigdig na ito, kasi si Lord malapit na dumating. Amen? And He will return for the bride. He will return for the church. He is returning to claim His inheritance. Amen? Parang hindi kayo excited. Palapakan na natin si Jesus, sabihin sa katabi mo, worship Jesus. He is worthy to claim and to own his inheritance. He is worthy to execute his righteous judgment, and he is worthy to be worshipped